Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Zoom webinar registration with CRM integration. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update Zoom webinar registration with CRM integration, start by logging into your Zoom account. Navigate to the Zoom dashboard and select the webinars option. Locate the webinar for which you want to update the registration settings. Click on the webinar title to access its details. Scroll down to the registration section of the webinar details page. Click on the Edit button next to the registration section. In the registration settings, find the field that allows CRM integration. Select the appropriate CRM system from the available options. You may need to authorize access to your CRM if you haven't done so previously. Once the CRM is selected, configure any specific settings related to the integration. Ensure to map the registration fields between Zoom and your CRM accurately. This may involve matching fields like name, email, and company. After mapping fields, proceed to save your changes. Return to the main webinar details page to confirm that the CRM integration appears correctly. Conduct a test registration to ensure data flows smoothly from Zoom to your CRM. Monitor your CRM to verify that the registration data is appearing as expected. If any issues arise, double-check your field mappings and CRM permissions. That concludes the update process for integrating Zoom webinar registration with your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.